Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new habit in the Blobby application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can look at the top of your right corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it and here you can see under your level your habits, in case I have one. And if you want to add a new habit, you can just press on the add new habit option. And you can select here the topic like fitness and health, hobbies and social, household and finance, or mind and soul. You can basically just select one of these. And here you can just answer these two questions, like what is your challenging daily goal, what is the minimal version of the goal. Imagine you have a busy day or not a lot of energy. You can just write in here whatever you want, and you can just press save down below. Seems like I have to enter a second goal, and now you can just press save, and you can see that this new habit just appeared in the category of mind and soul. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.